Hello, what's going on? Ruxandra here and welcome to my new video on how to make a YouTube thumbnail easy and for free. So right now I will be sharing my screen with you just to show you a few simple steps you need to start with when creating a thumbnail for your YouTube video. So first, go to your browser of choice and type Canva. This is the free tool that I use to save money and make my own thumbnails. Otherwise, I would just spend from $5 to $15 on a single thumbnail, or even more for each and every thumbnail I need. On Fiverr. You can, if you have the budget, yes, you can invest in a. They will make like a more professional thumbnails. I'm not an expert in thumbnails, but I am showing you a solution when you don't have the budget to spend monthly for thumbnails. Okay. And even if you don't want to spend in that direction, especially at the beginning, maybe you're saving to buy a camera or a microphone like I do. So this is my advice for you to start with. So as I said, I'm not an expert and my thumbnails are not as professional as some of those from Fiverr are, or some other professional designers, but are good to go and run your channel properly, especially until you figure it out how to do your videos in the best way and until you have some experience with it. So let's dive in. First, you create an account on Canva. For the beginning, it's okay to have a free version, not the pro one, because it's enough for you to start with. Okay, then you type here YouTube thumbnail. So YouTube thumbnail. So you have many options here. So you can create your own banner, but here we are talking about thumbnails. In this video, I will show you how to create even a banner in the videos to come. So right now we need YouTube thumbnail. Okay. So after you type in YouTube thumbnail, a lot of designs pop up, which are either paid, those that have the dollar sign, this one, like this one, paid, and it's written paid. Either the free, which have the free tag, so it's written free here in the corner. You choose a free one and then you're good to go. After, you can use your creativity a lot, just to be sure the text is bigger enough to be seen on the mobile screen, because many of us are not using the desktop when we are watching videos. We are using our phone. So be sure that the text is big enough to be seen very good on our mobile phone, and even the colors to sync. Okay. So let's choose a design. Okay, I'll choose this one. Just to show you an example, you can choose whatever you want. Another advice is for you to keep the style simple, not very crowded. Even if you have the possibility to add a lot of things here in Canva, yeah, keep it simple, it's better. It's my advice. I did some crowded ones and they don't look so good as the simple ones. So always, before making a thumbnail, look at similar videos and see what kind of thumbnails they have, so you can inspire yourself from them. I do that also. So you just go to your browser or go to YouTube and see what kind of thumbnails popular videos in that area have, and you just inspire yourself and adapt it to your own style. So here we go. Just a second. Yeah, here we go. I'll just move the my image here so I can show you better. Okay, so we added the design we wanted. We can start, we can change it if we want by choosing here on the left all the designs that we want. We can change it. We can upload something, like our own picture or funny face and stuff. if we are talking about YouTube videos, you know, we are just yeah, I have a lot of funny faces in here. Okay, so if you want to know how to, you know, how to make a thumbnail for our videos, yeah, you can delete the text, and let's say how to make a thumbnail, a YouTube thumbnail. And here, okay, just like that. Here we can write easy and for free. Okay. Once we get this, we got the text. We can make it smaller or bigger. Okay, so we can, you know, change it. You can change. If you don't want this to appear, you can, you know, just remove it. Yeah, I told you I like it simple. You can make this thing bigger or smaller, just to fit your text. You can move your text like that. Okay. Then you can change the style of the text. Yeah, you just choose a style that fits your you know, needs. You can change the direction where the text is appearing, so you can put it like this, like this, like this. So yeah, just to look good. Here you can change the style also, so you choose one that pop up. Okay, that's good. You can also change colors here, just in order for your thumbnail not to have, you know, the same writing all over. And you know, you just see what colors are matching better on the green. Okay. You can also change the color of the background, this one, if you don't like green. Green pops up very well, but let's say you won't make all your thumbnails, you know, green and stuff. You can just put something green if you want. Okay, so this pops up very, very well. I like it. Yeah, I like it so much. I like it this way. Okay, so let's see what other styles we have. Yeah, you can choose whatever, just to be. Okay, so this pops up better than the other one. So we can change the size of it from here. You can also detach everything, you know, if you want to add it separately, you know. But I will just leave it like this, so I can move the text a little bit, yeah, like that. Okay, so after you can add, if you don't want to use your uploads or your pictures, you can choose photos from here, which are general stuff, and there are also paid and free, and you can choose one from here for the laptop lifestyle or something like that. Then you have elements. So here you can use a YouTube, you know, okay, element, and yeah, less is more. I always say less is more. I don't overdo my my style right now, because I figure it out is better simple. You can add text if you want, I don't know, like easy and for free. You can delete it from here and just, you know, have it in here a little bit, you know. Let's say we do this easy and this, it's not this one, and free. So if you think this looks better, you can choose this one. So easy and free. Yeah, make it a little bit bigger every, you know, because it will really pop up when they will be on the phone. Okay. You can add audio, also videos, but I never used it. Yeah, you can just, you know, put a video, but I don't really use it. You can change the background if you don't want, I don't know. Okay. So after you're choosing everything, like and have your thumbnail done, okay, you can download it. I usually use the PNG high quality image here. I don't use the other ones. You can download it even as a MP4 video, high quality video, but that works very well for intro outro stuff. But here I use the PNG, the high quality image, and you just hit, you know, download, and that's it. Here you have your thumbnail.